Hello, friends. I'm Ryan, and I'm here with Theron, branch manager at the Windmill Library. And we are so excited to let you all know about the Library District's newest free service, our All Hands on Tech carts, where you can stop by participating library branches and try out the coolest, latest tech. Theron, tell us how easy it is to get started.
Ryan, it couldn't be easier. Come into our library, walk up to the cart. It's going to be out for you. All the devices will be on display, turned on, charged, ready to go. The GoPro, which is essentially a mobile camera you can wear on your person. Of course, we got all of the standard iPad tablets that you can use. And I'm also excited about the Steam Deck, which is essentially a handheld PC console gaming. We got a mobile printer, standard Kindle Paperweight. Something interesting here is called a Remarkable Tablet. It's basically you're going to write your notes by hand, and it's going to turn it into text for you. And then, of course, the hot thing right now is the VR goggles. Everyone seems to be liking these at the moment.
Wow, thank you, Theron, for that overview. There is some incredible tech that the public can come into their nearest library and try out for free. And if you want to find the library nearest you that has our All Hands on Tech cart, just visit our website at thelibrarydistrict.org/locations, where you can find all the information about our All Hands on Tech cart, including here at Windmill and many more branches.
Absolutely. Thank you for coming, Brian. It's always a pleasure to see you.
Always a pleasure to see you, Theron.
Okay.
We'll see you soon. Come on in.
Down.